We are taking ninth question of the exercise, that is given a plus b is 13, a minus b is 11. If we proceed a plus b, then we will obtain a square plus b square along with the term 2ab. We can put the value of a plus b, but we will be left with a into b. That value we don't have, so we cannot. Also, in case we proceed difference identity of difference, then a square plus b square minus 2ab will be obtained. Again the problem is a into b. So just we need to find the value of a square plus b square. Means we don't need this term. So how can we eliminate this term? If we add these two terms, means if we add this equation and this equation, how will we obtain a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? If we add both of these, then what we will add? We will find a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This minus 2ab will cancel with plus 2ab, and we will left with only 2a square plus 2b square, or by taking common 2 into a square plus b square. And on the left hand side we have a plus b whole square. We can put value a plus b means 13 square plus a minus b whole square, that is 11 square, and this is 169 plus 121, and that will be the value 9 and 1 10, 6 and 2 8, 1 9, 1 2, and this 2 will come in the denominator, and this will be the value of a square plus b square. You can proceed in this way. We are going with the 10th question. 10th question is given this is equal to 16 and this is equal to 4. We need to find this. If we check, this is square of 3a and this is square of 4b, so means we need to make a square of it. We cannot make a individual square. We need to just make a complete square of it, so that the other side could also be squared. If we square this and we make a square of this, then there will be little bit mathematical problem, that how can we make a separate square of each? Either the whole side will be squared or nothing will be squared. So this is first term, this is second term. The square of first term plus square of second term plus 2 into 3a into 4b. Here we have value of this, that is 16 we are putting here, and this is 9a square plus 16b square plus 2 3 ja 6 4 ja 24 ab. We have value of ab as well, that is 4 we are putting here. So that is 16 square 256, that is equal to 256. This side we have 9a square plus 16b square plus 24 into ab. ab is 4 here. So transposing this to other side, 256 minus 96, that is equal to 9a square plus 16b square. Writing this value to left hand side, plus 16b square, that is equal to, if we subtract this, and we will obtain 160. This is the answer of the 10th question.